Let's take a quick moment and talk about a feature in Power BI called Quick Measures. Now, Quick Measures are a tool that automatically creates explicit measures using pre-built templates or natural language queries. Now, the first method is called calculations, and this can be used to build measures using predefined templates. So things like weighted averages, variance, percent difference, time intelligence, running totals, and much, much more. So, depending on the type of measure that you're looking to create, the quick measure window will prompt you with additional data that's needed. Like in our example here, we're looking at weighted average per category. So, we need to add in a base value, a weight, and a category. The second method is called suggestions and uses natural language queries to build and create explicit measures. So, for example, you could say something like sum of quantity sold by calendar year, and Power BI would take that statement and do its best to create a measure based on what you said. Now, as you can see on screen here, Power BI created a suggested measure called total quantity sold per year, which on the surface seems pretty accurate, but definitely requires more investigation. So, as a pro tip, quick measures are often a great learning tool for beginners or when you're building more complex measures and aren't quite sure where to start or how to build the measure you need. But keep in mind that quick measures should be used with caution. Mastering DAX requires a deep understanding of the underlying theory. So, just because a quick measure returns a value or a measure that looks right, it may require a deeper understanding to confirm that it is accurate. So the whole point of this lecture isn't to deter you from using quick measures. It's more so, hey, make sure you validate the results of the quick measures before you use them within your reports.